She's kneeling down.
Facing this side. This side.
His family and all our.
Kiriza ekitange.
Accept our father.
Tugatte engalo zaffe mu kasolya kaffe oli waggulu we tuli.
To clap our hands.
Tukwebaza olw'enteekateeka ennungi n'abakulu bonna b'oli nabo.
For thanking you for this good preparation and all the visitors around you.
Taata bwe twazze mu lugye luno.
Since we are here in your family or home.
Sit like this now.
Sit like him.
Put on a pillow like this now.
Father,
bwe twazze mu lugye luno wakkiriza.
when we reached in this place, you accept us.
Mu kasolya bwe twayingidde.
In the house where we entered,
ebigambo ne tubinnyonnyola
we
bulungi.
explained each and every word.
Taata n'okkiriza ne
The Father, you
tuzaalibwa.
accepted us.
Now let's sit like this.
You change to another position.
You've been telling your brother that let's go where your spouse come from. Now we are here. Tata,
Father,
kiriza kubuulire bino.
accept me to tell you this. All this.
Engalo z'owulira waggulu eyo.
That clapping comes from up there.
Baza n'abakulu be muli nabo. Weebale okukkiriza kuzaala mutabani waffe.
Father, thank you for accepting our brother to be your son.
Taata,
Father,
nkusaba nga mpita mu ntebe yo.
I'm requesting you through your position.
Ebigambo senga bye yakoledde eri abataabaddeyo abituddiremu wano.
I'm requesting you, our aunt, to say
Byonna bye baakoze eri mu kasolya k'ennyumba waggulu.
all the words she gave us when we were in the other house out.
Nsaba senga akomewo addemu
I'm
ebigambo
requesting
bye.
our aunt to get back here to say the words to the audience.
Why? Let's greet the daughters. But for you, you will take this side. And for us, we shall take that side.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Welcome.
Thanks.
Thanks for the list.
Have you heard them?
Feel at home.
Serious. Tuesday. Tata. Kiriza. Tujja twebaze ku baana ba taata. Kasooke n'omwana ono. Ze n'omulenzi tusooke twebaze. Tusooke twebaze. Tusooke twebaze. Bamuula musula mutya. Bannange nga mwanyumye.
N'abamaganda wayiga basiiwa.
Bulijjo nga muba bayitirivu. Sooka mu lujja luno ngenda kuleeta emmotoka. Saanukula naye saanukula. Nsoose kuleeta side mirror. It has two side mirror like this. is a very double. That when you are driving, you look back and look down. You will see the passengers. You are driving. And I have given an example. Kanto kano bannange.
Naye olaba bituuya Nyanza ate abikuza ate
yamubajja. Taata mukulu tukkirize negayirire batabani bange kubanga obwedda nabo beekomba twazze bagamba nti nabo baagala kujja kubuuza ku bagenyi.
Olimba bagambe bakino mwana wamugula mutwala bamuguzi. So why can't I tell you that you're sweet, but your love is sweeter? So why don't you speak a little ginger? Oh, girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I can't see this. Angie, party, shake it, party, Angie.
Nail down, that is the order of Buganda. This is Hajj.
Mugamba ayita wano muwadde nange omwana ate mugambe nti ali single.
Now the dad is telling you that the daughter now you are looking to, she is not married.
Kale sekita bagambe asepola kakati
wejangu wano nawe fukamira wano waleme kubaawo Afrika kwata muno. Now what they are saying, now get your gift to her before you give your gift.
Connecting.
Give her a hug.
Connecting.
And speak words as you want. That when we will be into Kenya, we will to go together. Can you show the care? Show the care. Show the care. Put her up. In our house, don't take it serious. It's just